Hi friends, నేను సాయిరామ్. వెల్కమ్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ MSR క్లాసెస్. LIC AAO ఫైనల్ ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్స్ లో మనం 200 అర్థమెటిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. దిస్ ఈస్ ద 4th సెషన్. ఫస్ట్ 3 సెషన్స్ ఎవరైతే వాచ్ చేయలేదో ఆ 3 సెషన్స్ కూడా వాచ్ చేయండి. అలాగే క్వశ్చన్స్ PDF టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ MSR క్లాసెస్ YT అనే టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్లో PDFs అవైలబుల్ గా ఉన్నాయి. జాయిన్ అయ్యి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. రైట్? ఎస్. సో వితౌట్ వేస్టింగ్ టైం క్వశ్చన్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. హియర్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. There are two mixtures P and Q of liquids A, B, C. Mixture P and Q has the liquids A, B, C in the ratio, right? In the ratio, right? In what ratio these mixtures must be mixed so that the final contains 50% liquid C, right? P లో వచ్చేసి నాకు 5:1:4 చెప్తున్నారు. అలాగే Q లో మిక్చర్ Q 1:2:5. ఇక్కడ నుంచి దిస్ ఈజ్ ABC. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మిక్చర్ P లో టోటల్ వాల్యూ 10, అందులో 4 పార్ట్స్ 4 out of 10 which is 2/5. 2/5 అంటే 40% is mixture C, right? liquid C is 40%. అదే ఇక్కడైతే 5 parts out of 8 parts. 5/8 which means 62.5%. వచ్చేసి 62.5%, రైట్? ఈ రెండింటిని జాయిన్ చేస్తే 50% లిక్విడ్ సి రావాలట. 40%, 62.5%, ఓవరాల్ 50%. దెన్ 12.5 and 10, 100, 125, 5:4. 5:4 ratio లో జాయిన్ చేయాలి. ఆప్షన్ A is the final answer for this question. Done. Right. Next question. A and B started from their native places, that is M and N respectively, towards each other at the same time. A and B meet at a distance of 125 from N. If A reached N at 6:30 p.m., then what time A and B started from their respective native places? Right? A and B started from their 2 points దగ్గర నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యారట. M and N towards each other. ఇక్కడ నుంచి A స్టార్ట్ అయ్యారు. ఎన్నింటికి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యారో తెలియదు. అలాగే N ఇక్కడ నుంచి B ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యారు. సో A ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో, B ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో. ఎన్నింటికి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యారో తెలియదు. B reached the destination at 6:30. ఓకే, 4 PM కి ఒక పాయింట్ దగ్గర మీట్ అయ్యారట, which is 125 kilometers away from. ఇక్కడ 4 PM, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్, A reached N at 6:30 PM. 4 నుంచి 6:30 PM అంటే 125. A కి 125 కిలోమీటర్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేయడానికి 2.5 hours టైం పట్టింది, రైట్? 2.5 hours అంటే ఏస్ స్పీడ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. right? 125 upon 2, 62.5 kmph, right? At what time both of them started? Okay, ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంతో నాకు తెలియదు, రైట్? అలాగని బీస్ స్పీడ్ కూడా తెలియదు, రైట్? వేరియబుల్స్ ఇక్కడ ఒక స్పీడ్ తెలియదు, ఇక్కడ స్పీడ్, ఈ స్పీడ్ తెలియదు, ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ తెలియదు, రైట్? ఈ స్పీడ్ అయితే 62.5 kmph వచ్చింది, బట్ ఇక్కడ డిస్టెన్స్ తెలియకుండా I cannot find their timings, so answer cannot be determined. Option E is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. A solid cone of base radius 8 centimeters and height is melted to form hollow spheres of same volume. If the ratio of external and internal radius of each sphere is, then what is the thickness of a hollow sphere? Right? ఏం చెప్తున్నారు? వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సాలిడ్ స్పియర్ ఆఫ్ బేస్, స్పియర్ బేస్ ఇచ్చారు, పెద్ద స్పియర్ 8 centimeters 19 centimeters టు ఫార్మ్ 2 hollow spheres, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ ఎప్పుడైనా సరే వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ సేమ్ వాల్యూమ్ అని చెప్తున్నారు, రైట్? వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ కోన్, వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ కోన్ is equal to 2 hollow spheres, 2 times that of volume of hollow spheres. Right, volume of cone formula 1/3 pi r square h. R is equal to 8, h is equal to 90. 1/3 pi r square h. 8 is equal to 2 times that of, yes, so volume of a hollow sphere is radius చెప్తున్నారు, స్పియర్ రేడియస్ ఒకటి 3a ఇంకొకటి 2a, రైట్? డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దేర్ అంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా వాల్యూమ్ అయితే గనక వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ స్పియర్ 4/3 pi r cube, రైట్? 4/3 pi r cube, కానీ ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి ఎందుకంటే హాలో స్పియర్, హాలో స్పియర్, ఓకే? హాలో స్పియర్ అంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ మధ్యలో పార్ట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై వాల్యూమ్, ఓకే? ఆ వాల్యూమ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దేర్ రేడియస్ తీసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. 3a² minus 2a². Done. Pi 3 gets cancelled, pi 3, 8 gets cancelled. 19 8 times. 3² 9a² minus 4a², right? Wait, cube kada, radius is cube ante a cube, 27a³ minus 27 minus 8, 19, I think. 8 is equal to a cube. A value 2. A is equal to 2. What is the thickness of each hollow sphere? Right. thickness is difference between their radius A, which is 2 centimeters. Difference is 3 parts and 2 parts, which is 1 part. A and starting 2 centimeters is my final answer. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Done. Correct. Next question. A box of 400 balls consists of red, blue and green colored balls in the ratio respectively. What will be the new respective ratio if 20 added to the box? Right. 400 balls. Right. 4 is to 5. 1 is to 5. Total value 10 parts value 400. అలా అయితే నాకు ఇనీషియల్గా ఉన్న రెడ్ బాల్స్ 4 parts 10 4 times 40 4 times 16 160. Next blue balls 1 part 40. Green balls 5 parts 200. Right. 20 red balls is getting added 20. 80 blue balls 40 green balls. Now 180 120 240. Then 18 12 6 3 times 6 2 times 6 4 times. 3 is to 2 is to 4. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Right. Next question. Average number of items per week sold per week in a month is 84. Right. Average number of items sold per week in a month is 84. While average number of items sold per day for next month is 8. Then find the average items sold per month for these 2 months. Right. Okay. First of all, per week in a month is 84. First month lo 84 ఒక్క వీక్ కి సెల్ చేశారట. అలా 4 వీక్స్ ఉంటాయని చెప్తున్నారు ఒక మంత్ లో. ఇంటూ 4 వేస్తే 84 4 times 336. అదే సెకండ్ మంత్ నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ ఈజ్ 8. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఐటమ్స్ పర్ డే ఈజ్ 8. ఒక్కొక్క 4 వీక్స్ ఉంటాయి. అలా వీక్ లో 7 days ఉంటాయి. రైట్. 8 into 4 into 7. 8 4 times 32 32 7 times 22 224. Then total items is 336 plus 224, which means 560. Then required average is divided by 280. 280 is the final answer. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Done. Next question. A sum of rupees M plus 500 at 16% per annum compounded half yearly for 1 year. Then total amount earned is, right, what is the value of M? 16% Okay, half yearly for 1 year, which means 8 plus 8, 8 into 8 upon 100. 16.64 percentage. Right, 16.64 percentage of this value. 16.64 m plus 500 kada, 16.64 percentage of 500. Right, 5 ante divided by 2 into 10 divided by 2 veste 2 8 times 83.2. This is my total value. This is total interest, right, is equal to difference. The amount, this is my amount, right? The total amount earned is, this is my amount, this is my principal. Difference is interest, 4,160, 4160. Done. 16.64 m is equal to 83.2 ganaka subtract cheste, which means 80 subtract cheste 4080. 4080 లో నుంచి 3 subtract చేస్తే 77, 76.8. Done. M is equal to 407680 on 1664. Correct. Four zero seven six eight zero divided by 1664. 16.64 percentage, correct? 16.64 percentage of m. 16.64 into m కాదు, 16.64 percentage of m, which means ఇక్కడ ఇంకో 100 వస్తుంది. ఇదంతా క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే 000 అయితే కన్ఫర్మ్ 000, రైట్? 48 గా కన్వర్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ట్రిపుల్ జీరో లేదు, సో డబల్ జీరో, డబల్ $245,000 is my final answer. 245,000 is my final answer for this question. Then right. Next question. The ratio of efficiencies of ABC is C alone takes to finish the work. How many days A and B together will take to finish the work? Right. A is to B is to C. Efficiency మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. Efficiency of A is to B is to C is 3 is to 5 is to 4. C alone takes 56.4 days. Total work 56.4 into 4. The total work A and B together cheste time taken 56.4 into 4 upon A and B together efficiency 3 plus 5 8 2 2 times 2 8 times 28.8 57.6 56.4 57.6 right? $28.8 days is the final answer. Option E is the correct answer for this question. Then Rahul started a business with capital, and after 5 years, B joined him. If at the end of 15 years, the ratio of profits, what is the capital of? 24,000 for 3 parts, A for 2 parts is equal to 6 by 5. 6 4 times 2 2 times, right? 15 2 times 30, A is equal to 30,000. 30,000 is my final answer. Option E is the correct answer for this question. Then right, next question. After 7 years, the ratio of age of S and M, and 3 years ago the ratio of S and K is, the average of M and K is, then what is the sum of percentages, sum of ages of 3 years ago, right? After 7 years, 7 years tarvata S 8 parts ante 8A minus 7. After 7 years, M percentage is 7A minus 7. Next, 3 years ago, the ratio of S 3 years ago 5B parts aithe plus 3. Yeah. Next, K 8B plus 3. The average of M and K is, ఇక్కడ నుంచి నాకు 8A minus 7 is equal to 5B plus 3. The value 8A minus 5B is equal to 10, right? Average age of 39.5. 7A plus 8B minus 4 is equal to 3940. 79. 7A plus 8B is equal to 83. Done. సో ఇక్కడ 5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి ఈ వాల్యూని 8 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 8 times 64A minus 40B is equal to 80. 7 5 times 35A minus plus 40B is equal to divided by 2 to 4 times 415. Then రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు 99A is equal to 495. Exactly 5 times A is equal to 5. What is the sum of ages of Meera and Sahil? Sahil and Meera, right? Sahil percentage is 8 5 times 40 minus 7, 33. Meena percentage is 7 5 times 35 minus 7, which is 28. 3 years ago, sum of percentages వచ్చేసి 30 20 50 61. 61 minus 6, 55 years. 55 years is my final answer. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Then right, next question. A boat can cover 264 kilometers downstream in 11 hours and the speed of boat upstream is 6 times the speed of boat in right. How much time? Speed of boat in upstream m minus s to speed of stream is 6 is to 1, right? అంటే m value 7a, s is equal to a. Done. Downstream 264 kilometers 11 hours. 264 upon 8a is equal to 11. 11 24 times 8 3 times. A value 3. అంటే m 21 kmph, s 3 kmph. Upstream 25.2. Time taken is 25.2 upon 18. Right. 6 3 times 18, 6 4 times 24, 4.2. Which means 442, 1.3 hours. 1.3 hours means 1 hour point 3 by 60. One hour, 1.3 hours, right? 0.3 hours. 1 hour ni 60 minutes lo into 60, right? Forty-two and 14 కదా, sorry, 1.4 hours, right? Which is 1 hour 24 minutes. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. One hour 24 minutes is the final answer. Done. Next question. In a mixture S10 and water, the quantity of S10 is 24% more than that of when 54 liters of mixture B contains 4:5 respectively is added. The ratio of S10. Find the initial quantity of. Okay, right. Mixture A, S10 and water. %24 more than water. S10 is 24. 124 is to 100. Right, which means 31 to 25. 31 to 25. When 54 liters of mixture B, which contains S10, only S10 and water in the ratio. Initial ga 31 A undi, daniki 25A and S10 and water 4:5, 9, 6 times, 4 6 times, 24, 5 6 times, 30 add చేశారు. The respective ratio is added. The ratio of S10 and water becomes 7:6. Done. Right. Initial ga 31A value adugutunnaru. Initial quantity of which means a total value, right? 31 6 times 186A, 24 6 times 24 2 times 48, 48 3 times 24 12 144, 24 6 times 144 is equal to 25 7 times 175A 210. Then difference is 11A, which is 5666. A value 6. Nanu adigindi initial quantity of mixture A. Initial quantity of mixture A is 56A. Initial quantity is 56A. 56 6 times 336 liters. 336 liters. Option C is the final answer for this question. Then right. Next question. Ratio of number of trees and shrubs in garden. Out of the total number of trees, 25% were cut down, 70 more shrubs were planted. The new ratio becomes how many trees were cut down? Right. 25% trees were cut down. 7:5. 28 is to దీన్ని 4తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం, రైట్? 5 4 times 20. Next 25% of 28A minus 1/4 value 7A were cut down, and ఈ 20A కి ఇంకొక 70 shrubs యాడ్ చేశారు. The ratio of shrubs to trees, the new ratio of shrubs to trees is 9:7. 9:7. Trees and shrubs. Right. Yes. 28 9 times 280 minus 28 252. A minus 63A is equal to 140A for 90. Right. అనవసరంగా ఇక్కడ మొత్తం చేసాం. 21Aతో చేస్తుంటే సరిపోయేది. 21 into 9 189A is equal to, right, 49A value 490. A value 10. What is the number of trees cut down? 7A. 7A is 70. 70 trees were cut down. Option A is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. A boat can cover 468 downstream 12 hours, 216 upstream 24 hours. Find the time taken. 273 down and 468 down and 216 up in 24 hours. Right. Wait, in 12 hours. And the downstream speed is 468 upon, so m plus s value 468 upon 12. 12 3 times 36 108 9 times. M plus s is 39. M minus s value 216 upon 24, which means 9. M minus S is equal to 9. So M value రెండింటిని add చేసి divided by 2, 48 divided by 2, 24. S is equal to 15. Right. Total time taken, time 273 downstream. 273 downstream means 20, 30, 39, 27 upstream, 9. Right. 273 కావాలి. 9 3 గా కన్వర్ట్ అవ్వాలి. 40 280, 7 times, exactly 7 times, 3 times. 10 hours. 10 hours is the final answer. Option E is the correct answer for this question. Done. Next question. A certain sum was invested R percentage per annum compound interest compounded annually amounts to in 2 years and 3 years. Find the rate. Okay, 2 years ki 1425, 3 years ki 1995. Right, ratio matladam. 5 cancellation, 5 2 times 10, 5 8 times 40, 5 times 5 3 times 15, 49, 5 9 times 45, 45 5 9 times 45, 399, 285. Okay, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 8 15. So 3 cancellation, 3 9 times 27, 95, 3 1 time 3 3, 33 plus 5 38. Right, ఇంకేదైనా cancellation ఉందా? 95, 9 plus 5 14. Okay, right, cancellation ఏం లేదనుకుంటా ఇంకా. 19 19, yes, 19 5 times, 19 7 times, yes, 19 5 is to 7. Ratio is getting as 5 is to 7. Required percentage 2 parts out of 5. 2 by 5 means 40%. 40%. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Correct. First divided with 5 చేశాను, తర్వాత divided with 15 చేశాను, కాదు 3 చేశాను, తర్వాత divided with 90. Right. Yes. Next question. The curved surface area of a cylinder height. Cylinder curved surface area 2 pi RH 1782, 22 by 7 R, height 27, 17282. Right, 9 3 times 9, 1 time 9, 68, 9 7 times 63, 52. 9 cancel avula. Height is 27. 9 undiga. 9 1 time 9, 68 kada. Okay. Next వచ్చేసి 88, 9 9 times 81, 9 8 times 72. Done. Next 3 6 times 18, 66, 22 3 times. Radius is 21 by 2, 10.5. If the radius of cone is 9 centimeters less than 7 3 times 21, 21 upon 2. right? 9 centimeters less 1.5, and volume is volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h is equal to 0.95. 1/3 pi gets cancelled, 1.5 into 1.5 h is equal to 0.93. 0.5 times 5 9, which means height h is equal to 15. 5 times 75, 9 upon 7.5, 90, 15, 1.2 centimeters. 1.2 centimeters. Option B is the final answer for this question. Then yes, next question. A can complete 32% of the work in 16 days. A total work 50 days. B takes 20 days less than A. B takes 30 days to complete the whole work. A and B together 150 is the LCM. 3, 5, 64% of the work time taken is 64% of total work. Total efficiency 1/8, 8 times, 2 times, 3 times, 2, 4 times, 4, 3 times, 12 days. 12 days is my final answer. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Then next question. A and B started a business together such that the sum of investments of A and B, A is 4/5 of the total sum invested by both. Okay, total 5A, A వచ్చేసి 4A, B A. Done. While profit received by B is 40% of the total profit received by both of them. Find the time period. ఇది investments. Profits ratio వచ్చేసి A is to B. 40% of the total, 6 is to 60 is to 40. అంటే 3 is to 2, 4 is to 1. Right, time period ratio is 3/4 is to 2/1. Right, 3 is to 8. 3 is to 8 is the final answer. Option E is the correct answer for this question. Then right, time period is profit upon investment. Time period is a profit upon investment. Profit 3 parts, investment 4 parts. Next, a certain article is sold for 32 after giving successive discounts of. If the article marked up 300 above it, find the profit or loss of the right. Sold after giving a successive discounts of marked price. Successive discounts marked price మీద ఫస్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ 10% అంటే 90%, 80%, 432, 0000, 9, 4 times 36, 72, 9 8 times, 8 6 times. Market price is 600. So cost price is 600 minus 300, which is 300. Profit is 432 minus 300, which is 132 rupees. 132 rupees. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. The ratio of income of A and B is respectively A saves 25% while B saves 20%. The sum of their expenditures, the difference between their incomes. Right. Income, expenditure, savings. A and B. A income is 8A, B income is 5A. A saves 25%, one fourth means 2A. B saves 20%, which means A. 10A value 50,000 చెప్తున్నారు. Total expenditure is 10A. Find the difference between income 3A value divided by 2, 15, 15,000. Option A is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. A 160 liters mixture contains milk and water in certain ratio. When 40 liters of water is added, the quantity of mixture becomes 40%. Right. In certain ratio. ఎంత రేషియోలో ఉందో తెలియదు. When 40 liters of water is added, right, అంటే టోటల్ 200 అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, ఈ 200లో the quantity of milk becomes 40%. Milk is 80, water is 120. Find the difference between initial 40, 80. When 40 liters of water is added, milk becomes 40%. Then initial quantity of water, 40 liters water subtract this is what is the difference? Difference is 0. None of these. Option E is the final answer for this question. Done. Done. Next question. Ravi started running towards B from A and Mohit started from B at the same time. C is 200 kilometers ahead of A. Ravi catches Mohit. He is just 100 kilometers away from B. If the speeds of Ravi and Mohit is, then what is the distance between B and C? Right. Total A to B పరిగెడుతుంది. Ravi started towards B from A. Ravi ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాడు. Mohit from C 200 kilometers ahead of point A. Ravi catches Mohit 100 kilometers away from E value 100 kilometers. Then if the speeds of Ravi and Mohit is 7:6, Ravi E direction లో పరిగెడుతున్నాడు, Mohit E direction లో పరిగెడుతున్నాడు. Right. The relative speed is A. Correct. Initial separation 200 kilometers. Initial separation is 200 kilometers. Distance is equal to speed into time taken. Time taken is distance upon speed's ratio. What is the distance between they are meeting here? Ravi time taken, Ravi traveling time is equal to Ravi time is equal to times are equal, right? Mohit the time traveled. Correct. Ravi traveled some a distance. ఈ మధ్యలో ఉన్న డిస్టెన్స్ ఏ అనుకుంటే రవి ట్రావెల్డ్ ఏ ప్లస్ 200 kilometers with a speed 7a units is equal to a with 6a, right? Ravi started from some distance d, right? D into 6a. Distance time taken is distance upon speed, distance upon speed. ఇక్కడ distance is equal to 1200 kilometers. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు distance 1200 kilometers. Done. So B and C distance between B and C 1200 plus 100, 1300 kilometers. 1300 kilometers. Option B is the time is equal to distance upon speed, right? Next question. The total cost price of article A and B. Article A is 15% loss and B is sold 20% profit. The selling price of article A is 40 more than cost price of. Find the right cost price of A and B together is. Article A is sold at 15% loss, 0.85 A. Right, selling price of A. Selling price of A is article B is sold at 20% profit, 1.2 B. Selling price of article A is 40 more than cost price of. Selling price of 0.85 A minus cost price of B is equal to 40. రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే 1.85 A is equal to 1480. A 1480 upon 185 into 100, which is 185 8 times 185 8 times 48, 8 times 64, 68, 8 1 time 8 14, correct? Exactly 8 times 8 800 is the cost price of A. So B cost price is 1440 minus 800, which is 740. 7 kaadu 640. 640. Right. Then find the ratio of selling price of A to that of B. Selling price of A 0.85. 15% loss, 10% is 80, 40, 120. Selling price of A to that of selling price of B. 15% loss, which means 120. 120 subtract cheste 100 subtract cheste 700, 680. Selling price of 20% profit 128, add JLE 768. Correct, 768. 4 n time, 4 7 times, 4 1 time, 4 9 times, 4 cancellation ఉందా లేదు 4 2 8 times, 5 times, 2 9 times, 6 times, 85 is to 96. Option E is the final answer for this question. Yes, next question. The length and breadth of a cuboid, if the total surface area of, find the height. Cuboid total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2336 is equal to 2 into LB 720, 36H, 20H, 1168, 1168, 56H is equal to 1168 minus 720, 1100 minus 700, 400, 448. Exactly 8 times 8 centimeters is my final answer. Right, option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. Jatin investment in a partnership was 25% more than Kamal's investment. Okay, but they share equal amount from the profit. Okay, investments is in the ratio Jatin and Kamal. Jatin investment is 25% more than 5:4. Profit is 1:1. Time period is 1/5 is to 1/4, which is 4:5. How much percentage less time Jatin than Kamal, which is the percentage is 1/5 into 100. 20%. 20%. Option C is the final answer for this question. Next question. S and P got their first child 6 years ago. At that time, S age is, okay, 6 years ago, S is to P ratio మాట్లాడుతున్నారు 6:7. Ratio of percentages of S and P is 7:8. 6 years ago, their ratio and present ratio 1 part 6 years. అలా అయితే present S value 7 parts 42. P percentage 8 parts. After 14 years, right, 56. Next 62. Correct. 56 and 62. Ratio. 28:31. 28:31. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Right. Next question. The ratio of milk and water in 25 liters. So how much water must be added so that ratio of milk and water? Initial ga milk and water 1:4, milk and water 2:9. వాటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నారు, మిల్క్ అండ్ వాటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తుంటే మిల్క్ లో చేంజ్ రాకూడదు. 2:8, 2:9. 1 పార్ట్ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నారు, టోటల్ 10 పార్ట్స్ వాల్యూ 25. 1 part is getting added. Ratio of milk and water in the mixture is how much water must be added so that milk and water 2:9 respectively. 8 plus 2, 10 parts. 1 part 2.5. 1 part value 1 is getting added. 2.5 liters. Option C is the final answer for this question. Then next question. A can do 3/8 of the work in 12 days. So A completes the work in 8 4 times 32 days. B can do 1/4 of the work in 6 days. 6 4 times 24. C can do half of the work in 15 days. C total work 30 days. A, B, C together can complete the whole work in how many days? Right. LCM is 240. 320 lo 240 రాదు, 480. Then 15 times 20 times 316 times. Then 15 16 31 51. 51 time taken is 480 upon 51 upon 17 3 160. So 9 7 by 11 days. 9 7 by 11 7 by 17 days. Sorry, 7 by 17 days. 17 is the denominator. Option A is the final answer for this question. Then right. Next question. Compound interest earned on at 10% in 2 years is greater than simple interest at R% for 3 years. What is the value? Right. 10% 2 years. Okay. Compound interest 21% of, right, 14 1 time 14, 2 times 28 29 2940. This is my compound interest. Simple interest value 2940. compound interest lo ekkuva ante 900 is the simple interest. Right. 3 years ki 900. 3 years ki 900 ante 1 year ki 300. 300 is the compound interest. Rate percentage is 300 is the interest out of 6000 into 100. 00000065 times 5% is the final answer. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Then next question. A boat can cover 252 downstream in 3 hours 30 minutes. Ante M plus S is equal to 3.5. 252 upon 3.5 means 7 by 2. 7 3 times 21. 7 6 times 72. If the stream is flowing 40% less speed than boat, M is to S. 40 percentage less into 60 percentage, which means 5:3. Total 8 parts, 70 to 8, 9 times 45, m value 27. Done. How much time to cover 90 kilometers upstream? Time taken 90 kilometers upstream means 18, 5 times 5 hours. Option A is the final answer. Done. Next question. A and B together can do a work in 12 days while C alone, A and B total work 12 days. C ఒకడే చేస్తే 30 days. Right. LCM 60, 5 and 2. If A, B, C worked together for first 4 days, total 7 units, completed work 28 units. The remaining work is completed by C alone in time taken is 32 upon 2, 16 days. 16 days is my final answer. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Done. Next question. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 10 liters of milk and 12 liters of water is added. The final mixture becomes 5A కి ఒక 10 liters యాడ్ చేశారు, 8A కి 12 liters యాడ్ చేశారు. సో దట్ రేషియో ఈస్ గెటింగ్ యాజ్ 2:3. 15A plus 30 is equal to 16A plus 24. A value 6. Right. Initial quantity of mixture 5A plus 8A, 13A, 13 6 times 78 liters. Option D is the final answer. Done. Next question. Pipes A and B can fill a tank in 12 hours, 16 hours respectively, while C can empty the tank in 20 hours. Find the time taken. C empty to quantity of water filled by in 4 hours. Done. Yes. A can do the piece of work in 12 hours, B can do the same piece of work in 16 hours, C can do the same piece of work in 20 hours. Then 4 3 times, 4 4 times, 4 5 times. LCM is 15 4 times, 60 6 4 times 24, 240 is the LCM. Correct. 20, 15, 12. Negative efficiency. Positive efficiency 4 into 20 plus 15, 35, which is 35 2 times 70, 140 units. 140 units. Time taken, work is 140, efficiency is 12. 4 3 times 12, 4. 3 times 5 times 35 by 3 hours. Option A is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. Rajat, Mukul and Ankur started a business by investing. Ratio of time for which invested is the profit share of Rajat was. Find the total profit. Done. 60 36 48, which means 12 5 times, 12 3 times, 12 4 times, 5 for 3, 3 for 4, 4 for 6, 3 3 3 2 times, 5:4:8. Rajat, the first person, 5 parts, 15, like a total 17 parts, 3 times 51. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. 2,600 meters long train crosses a man is coming from opposite direction at certain speed in 40 seconds. If the speed same train crosses pole right in 50 seconds, then find the speed of man. Speed of train find out cheyochu. Train speed is 2600 meters long. Train crosses a pole in 50 seconds, which means 5 times 25 10 52 meter per second. Then opposite direction, total distance 2600 meters cross cheyali 52. Opposite direction means relative speed in 40 seconds. Then 0 0 4 6 times 24 65. S is equal to 65 minus 52 13 meter per second is my final answer. Option D is the correct answer. Then next question. If volume and height of a cylinder and height, find the radius of cylinder. Volume of a cylinder pi r square h, sorry, 4 by third 1 by third pi r square h, pi r square h 22 by 7 into r square 14 into 14. Height h 1535342 24 7 2 times 22 2 times 44 44 with 6 plus 3 9 92 8 times 44 2 times right 2 1 4 1 time. Height h is equal to 141 upon 14 10 times volume of a cylinder. Formula pi r square h and the radius. Height is 14, volume is 5 3 2 4. Then approximately 11 centimeters. Then next question. Ajay invested rupees X in scheme A offering compound interest 20% compounded annually and invested Y 20% simple interest. Received A and B after 2 years is right. 20% 2 years 41% of X upon 20% 2 years 40% of Y is equal to 99 upon 80. 2 times x upon y 9982. Correct. 20% compounded annually, right? 99 44%, sorry, 44%. 11 4 times 11 9 times, right? 9 by 8. 9 by 8. Option C is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. Average marks obtained by A, B, C, D. While average marks obtained by A and B, the ratio of marks obtained by B and C, right? So average of C and D is 49 minus 4 పెరిగింది ఇద్దరి మీద, 4 తగ్గించాలి ఇద్దరి మీద, which is 49 minus 4, 45. Total C and D, total value is 90. 8 plus 5, 15, 15 6 times. C max 8 6 times, 48. Option C is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. A seller buys an article and marked it cost price, so sold it 10% discount. Find the profit. Right. 7800 is the cost price, 120%. దీని మీద 10% discount. Done. Sold 00000000. 12 9 times 108, 78 into 108. 7800 minus 780 plus 780 minus 78 2 times 156. 7800 పక్కకి తీసేస్తే ఈ డిఫరెన్స్ నా ఆన్సర్. రైట్. 4 7 minus 5 2, 7 minus 1 6, 624. Option B is the final answer. Done. Next question. Ratio of percentages of Gaurav and Mohit. 4 years ago ratio of ages was, right, present ratio Gaurav and Mohit present ratio 3:5. 4 years ago చెప్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ 5:9, 3:5. డన్. రేషియో పార్ట్స్ కరెక్ట్గా ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అవ్వాలా. ఇక్కడ 2తో 4తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 10:18, 12:20. 2 parts value 4 years. 4 years ago present age. Find the present age of Mohit. Mohit present age 20 parts, which is 40 years. 40 years. Option D is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. Ram spent 15% and 20% of the monthly income on transport and food respectively. He also spends 40% of the remaining. If the monthly income of Ram transport after spending is the monthly income 100 అనుకుందాం. రైట్. ఫస్ట్ 15%, అలాగే 20% స్పెండ్ చేశారు, టోటల్ 35, రిమైనింగ్ 65%. ఇందులో 40% ఆన్ పేయింగ్ రెంట్, 40%, 10% 6.5, 20% 13, 26, 40% means 26, 25 అయితే ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 40 ఉండేది, 39. రైట్. 39 వాల్యూ, 39 parts 7800 చెప్తున్నారు. ఫైండ్ ద మంత్లీ ఇన్కమ్ 100%. డబల్ 20,000. Option A is the final answer for this question. Done. Yes. So here ends the session. నా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కనుక నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో అప్డేట్స్ కోసం నా ఛానల్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని ఉంచుకోండి. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.